Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somi and I'm here to teach you how to make your liquid colored eyeliner by yourself. Okay, so what are the materials you need? You need your eyeshadow, you need your setting spray, you need a container to mix, and you need your angled brush. So obviously the first thing you're going to do is to scrape out a little portion of the eyeshadow you want to use and set it aside or keep it somewhere. Then the next thing you're going to do is to spray a little bit of the setting spray into the container you have provided for mixing, and then transfer the scraped eyeshadow into it and mix really well with your angled brush. You're going to mix it until like the mixture has turned into the color of the eyeshadow. Yeah, and then it should not be too watery or too strong. Then now it's the application process. You're going to apply the normal way you apply your regular black eyeliner. With this you can do so many designs, and also you can use different colors to freestyle. And then for this video I used dark blue, I used orange, and I used yellow color, and they all look different on my face or brought out different looks on my face. So this is the dark blue color, this is how it looks, and then this is the orange color eyeliner, and this is the yellow colored eyeliner. So if you've come this far into this video and you really like it, please subscribe, share, and comment. Okay, bye, see you in my next video.